Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Sunday, April 29th, and this is going to be the first of two videos that I'm going to do related to some maintenance type stuff. Now, this first video is going to talk about some electrical system tips and tricks, and also some air system stuff for you Kenworth Peterbilt guys. But the air system part could really apply to any make, model truck. So, just going to try to do this real quick here and put some feelers out and see how this goes. So, watch these couple of clips, and then I'll come back and wrap it up. Alright, so there's your electrical box on your trailer, right? You could have some issues with this thing, so I'm going to show you a couple of quick things that might help you out if you get in a pinch one day. First thing, if you have a connection where those pins on your plug kind of get a little bit spread out, you may need to replace this plug. Sometimes it's not always that, though. Sometimes it's the actual pins inside that box. It's hard to see because they got dielectric grease all over them. But I'm going to show you something you can do if you ever have a bad connection. Alright, see that top pin right there? I cleaned off the grease off it. You can see this box is going to make me look like a liar, but there's no slot in that. A lot of these will be slotted, so what you could do is you could take a flat screwdriver and you could stick it in there and spread that pin to get a better connection. A lot of times if you got flickering lights, that's the first place to start. Spread all those pins and plug your connection back in. I'm going to show you another trick too. So let's say that you spread your pins, you still have a loose connection here. Well, I'll tell you what else you could do to fix that. Get yourself a seal, cut the seal, and stick it in there underneath the cord. And I'll show you what that looks like. Just like that. See how your seal is up underneath your plug? That'll keep this tight. That'll keep it from moving. Keep everything secure, and that should reduce your flickering problem too. I'm going to show you one other thing on a trailer. You can see this tag is all ripped. But some trailers, not all, will actually have a pin out of your plug. It'll tell you the wire colors and what they're for. So if you ever have a problem, say you got to pop out a tail light out of a trailer and the wires are all hanging back there and you don't know what goes to what, this tag will help you if you have to rewire a light in a hurry. So just a couple tips I wanted to share with you. So last night I went to, yesterday afternoon I went to get fuel, and I noticed something on the back of the sleeper on the truck. I noticed my airbags were not inflated. And so I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to show you, for you Kenworth guys, probably Peterbilt I imagine is the same way. I'm going to show you what I found, so give you a little tip of something to look for. So check this out. So these airbags for the sleeper on both sides, this one and the one over there, they were both completely flat. The sleeper was sitting straight down. I apologize for the wind, but I'm going to show you what I found here. So check this out. Alright, you see that rod coming straight down right there? That rod was detached. That arm right here is a leveling valve. Well, right there, you see I wired it on there because it wouldn't stay on, so it was deflating the bags on the sleeper. So, but yeah, I reattached that. I kind of wired it there. I think that valve is leaking, so I'm going to have to replace that leveling valve and probably that rod as well. But the best way it looks like to do that is to pull this bag out, and then you can go right through here and get to that valve. So, anyway, yeah, that's something to keep in mind for you Kenworth Peterbilt guys. If you ever have that problem, check this back here, check that rod, make sure it's still attached to that leveling valve, and if it is, you can pop that off and move that up and down. If you don't have air going to that, that means you got another problem. So just a quick tip. Well, hopefully you guys found that informational. Hopefully maybe you learned something that you didn't know. You veteran guys, you know, that's probably nothing new for you guys, but for the newer people out here, you know, it's maybe you get some use out of that. So just want to throw that out there. And real quick too, something else I need to mention. I don't remember if it was my last video or video before that. There was a YouTuber I told you to check out, and I messed up his name. I called him Thomas the Tank or something like that. I don't remember what I called him, but his actual YouTube channel is Thomas the Trucker. He's a Schneider bulk driver. He's not an IC, he's a company driver. So if any of you guys out there, I know sometimes people will email me and ask me about bulk. I know nothing about it. I don't know what the training's like. I don't have any clue. So if you have any questions about bulk, you know, I encourage you to go to Thomas the Trucker's channel. Thomas the Trucker, not Thomas the Tanker. Go to Thomas the Trucker's channel. Check him out. And if anybody does decide to come to Schneider on the company side, and you're going to do bulk, help Thomas out, man. Give him, he puts his driver number in the videos there. Give him your referral. You know, he's a younger guy. He's got a little boy, so I'm sure he could use the extra money. So anyway, if you're going to, like I said, be a bulk driver with Schneider, go check out Thomas the Trucker's channel. Put him down as a referral. You know, help him out. And guess that's about it. So the next video we got coming up is a video about the SCR system. So stay tuned for that one. And until next time, everybody, be good, be smart, be safe. Thanks for watching this video. Check out Thomas the Trucker. I'll put his link in the description below. And I guess that's about it. So I'll catch you down the road later on.